Alright, y'all, well, the water's getting ready to start boiling, and as soon as it does, we're going to have us a good old meal. It's getting hot. This is what we got right now. Got that fire going. We'll make this happen tonight. Gotta give it a little breathing room so that we don't lose the air on it, so that, there we go. Gotta make that happen. As long as my son quits slamming the doors on my truck, we'll be alright. Check this out. This is my little homemade cooker. I learned this watching YouTube. Of course, I make YouTube videos myself, so if y'all want to watch any of my videos, it's called I Ate Y'all Fishing Life. So, y'all like these videos, like and subscribe. I mean, I can use the views. I ain't worried about the money. I'm just looking for the views. Alright, y'all. See you in a minute. Alright, y'all. Well, I got my rice going. Got the fire going. This is how we're gonna do this tonight. We'll make this what's it called? Bean and rice casserole with some hunky bread. As my papa used to say, hunky bread. So it's gonna be on tonight. I'm gonna bring y'all back whenever I get it going. Really good. I gotta wait for the boil, but I gotta keep this fire going. Which right now is, you see how it's coming out the sides of it. Yep, it's doing real good. Like I said, I'll never starve, but I'm also gotta. Y'all see where I'm at? I'm supposed to be undercover as far as stealth camping. Shh, this is stealth camping, nothing. Alright, y'all. Alright, y'all. Well, this is what I call the goulash of a poor man's dinner. Got a little bit of everything in it. But I'm going to tell you what, it's going to be awesome. It takes about 20 minutes, so it's been about 10. So I'm going to give it some time. I'm going to come back with y'all and show y'all exactly how it is. And then we're going to do some hunky bread over the fire. I'm not going to do no pan hunky bread. We're going to do hunky bread over the fire. I got some oil. I'm going to base it with a little bit of oil, throw it on top of the fire, and let it cook. We're going to have some big old pieces of hunky bread like this right here. And we're going to do something tonight. We're going to make something happen. Oh, yeah. I'm hiding my beer right there. Because if I don't, what's going to happen is the cops going to come along and get me for a public drunk. But anyways, I'll be back with y'all. So y'all stay tuned for more. Alright, y'all. So it's almost done. I think I got about another maybe 5 minutes or so. Maybe 10 minutes. Yeah. It does need some seasoning, though. I gotta find my seasoning. Let me find my seasoning, y'all, so I can season this stuff up, because that's got a bland taste, and I don't like bland. Alright, y'all. See y'all in a minute. Alright, y'all. Well, I just seasoned it up with some adobo. And then I got some, it's pepper. It's black pepper, but it's got vegetable, whichever you want to call it, in it. Some good stuff. I got about another 10 minutes on this right here. This stuff's gonna be done It's gonna be good. And I'm gonna pull out the hunky bread and let me see. There's my oil right there. Yep, here's my oil. I'm gonna oil up some hunky bread. I'm gonna make some hunky bread with a little base oil. Be like some toast, kind of. Gonna be good. But yeah, I guess I'm gonna drink some more beer. Do what I gotta do. Making good dinner tonight. Got enough wood. Keep my little stove going. So, alright, y'all. See you in a minute. Oh, yeah. If you like these videos, like and subscribe to Y'all Fishing Life. You want to do some donations? Donate to me. Make my videos better. Tell me what you want me to do. I got one good video I do want to do, and I'm probably going to do here soon. A stealth camp up underneath the bridge. I can't tell you where because, you know, people on YouTube be like, oh yeah, I know where that's at and stuff. I don't want all that. So, but I found it today as I was doing a little fishing. So it's going to be something nice. It's going to be something a little bit different. And I promise you, you're going to like this one. I got a little river below me. I'm going to catch some fish. I'm going to do a catch and cook. I'm going to do a stealth camp on top of it. But all right, y'all. Check it out, though. I'm up here at the BP still. Second night in a row. See if the cops show up again. All right, y'all. All right, y'all. I'm still out here cooking. It's after a little after 12 midnight. Trying to get this stuff to cook up. It's just taking its own little sweet time. Might have to build a bigger stove tomorrow. But, I mean, you can see it's redder and everything, but it's just taking its own sweet time. The rice is still kind of chunky, but I'm going to make it happen. So, y'all, bear with me. We're going to have a good meal tonight. Everybody else is falling asleep on me. I'm not. So, besides Fat Boy here.
Hey!
But anyways,
this dog's fat.
We're going to eat good tonight.
I'm playing some baseball today,
so y'all just bear with me. When it's done, I'll bring you back. Alright, y'all. Like and subscribe. I'm trying to make more of these stealth camping videos and waiting on the cops to show up because you see all the smoke. I'm going to tell them like it is. Go suck it. It's my video, not theirs. Alright, y'all. Subscribe to Y'all Fishing Life. See you soon. Alright, y'all. Well, here we go. Finally got our food done. Well, we got a pot of it done right here, good and hot. I got the bread on. I got the fire going. As soon as it burns down,
that's starting to burn.
We're gonna take and put this on there. It's got the oil already on it. I'm about to put some adobo on there. Oh my God, we about to have a good old feast out here in the middle of the BP. Like I said, we're stealth camping the BP again, and guess what? Waiting on the cops to show up again.
Well, they didn't show us about going on 3 o'clock.
Yeah, they showed up on us on 3 o'clock last time, and I'm still drinking my beer. You see this? I'm still gonna drink my beer, but it is what it is. Or grab me another beer.
Is that one empty?
Yep. But anyways, like I said, y'all, we're going to take and have us a little powwow out here tonight. I'm about to toast up some. Yeah, I'm about to toast up some hunky bread right here.
That's what Papa called it.
Yep, that's what Papa called it, hunky bread. But we're about to do some hunky bread out here. And as soon as we're done doing our hunky bread, we're going to eat us something. And then we're going to layer down, finish off my last beer, and watch a few videos before I pass out. And then have to get up tomorrow and go to work. Here we go. You see this? Oh, yeah. This is thanks to my brother Casey. I'm going to thank you, Casey, for what you did. Because what you did is, yeah, made my day. So I got me 3 of these little 25 ounces. And so I'm going to dedicate this video to you. And I know you're going to be watching it here as soon as I get done uploading it. So, as long as the cops don't show up and take my ass to jail.
Oh, there they are.
Is that for real?
No.
Yeah. Son, don't you play it? You know what? All right, well, if I get charged for murder, then, thank you, Casey.
You know what happened already, y'all.
But anyways, I'll let this fire burn down a little bit and throw some hunky bread on it. And we'll be back with y'all in a minute. Alright, y'all. Well, here's my last thing I got to do tonight. And I got to make sure I got my sticks up in here, which that's what I'm doing right now. Get me some more sticks right here so I can make my bread. This is what I'm going to be doing. Sorry if it ain't perfect, but here we go. There we go. See that? Alright, here's my bread right here. I done oiled it up and everything. Got me a little fire going. All I want to do is crisp it up. Make me like some toast. Throw it down on there like that. I'll make me some toast tonight. Put all this stuff together. There we go. Little by little. I think my wife's hungry. Gotta go feed her now. She's been hungry. I've been cooking for hours because these little stoves, they take a little too long. So I'm about to go feed her real quick. Let me get back with y'all in just a minute. Alright, y'all. Alright, y'all. Well, let me see here if I got my flashlight on. There we go.
You won't let you cut on because of the video.
Oh, it won't me to. Oh, crap. Okay, well, let's step back then. There we go. This is what we got. We got some goulash. Is what I'm going to call it anyways. And then,
Toast.
got my toast. Got it all set up. That's what we're going to have for supper tonight. But first, I got to kill dessert. And after the dessert, I'm still going to keep the fire going because, it's going to be a little bit before I go to bed.
Yeah,
Excuse me.
Again.
But, alright, y'all. If y'all like these videos, like I said before, like and subscribe. And I'm going to show y'all one more time exactly where I'm at. Because the cops might show up.
Put the address down.
I'm up here. Oh, there's Huey. and my daughter. Hey, y'all. And then we're up here at the BP, where my wife works at, of course, where the truck stops. And then this is where we're at. This is our little getaway. They got to find me before they can take me, right? Anyways. Alright, y'all. Been nice. If you like these videos, like and subscribe. See you when I can. Oh yeah, I'll have another one out maybe tomorrow. More than likely tomorrow, but it's gonna be somewhere else. Alright, y'all. Have a good one.